All right, on today's tutorial, we are jumping into DaVinci Resolve 21 Beta's new feature on the Face Reshaper. And you can make your face, well, all kinds of different things. All you gotta do is record your clip, pull it into DaVinci, like I'm about to show you now. And then once we have our clip, we go on the coloring tab, then to effects. Once you've selected effects, you can type in face and then drag across Face Reshaper onto the line there. Then once you detect your face in the frame, assuming that there is just one face, it's pretty easy. You can either show the overlay or not. Then we will press this track forward and reverse button, and that will go through the footage and allow us to, well, adjust it and replay it live. So that may take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on how long your video is and how fast your processing power is. So let's go and do that now. As you can see, that just took a couple of seconds and you see the overlay over my face. Now I'm going to untick show overlay, and here you've got all these different options. So whether face shape, eyes, nose, mouth, eyebrows, and so on. And for example, look, we'll just adjust the width of my face, the jaw. So if you want to give yourself that real Giga Chad wide jaw look, you can do that. Give yourself a real, big chin if you like, or do the opposite. You can take away that chin altogether, but let's, for the purpose of this video, turn myself into a Giga Chad. Cheek positions, or raise them higher. The length of my face. Oh, okay. Then we've got the look. I'm gonna move the frame forward a bit so we can see my face. Now the nose. Personally, I think I've got a bit of a big nose. We're gonna adjust this. We're gonna make this a little thinner. The height. Let's bring that up higher, and the size of it. Let's make that a little smaller. Look at that Giga Chad looking dude. So I'm just going to turn this off and on, and you can really see the difference there. And once again, you've got the options to adjust the eyebrows. There we go. Real Giga Chad. Separating the thickness of them, and even the tilt, if you want to give like a sort of sarcastic look or a more serious look. So you can really make some pretty wild changes with this. Also adjust the size of your face, the width of your face, once again the length of your face. I'll just zoom out here, and then when you replay that live, you can turn yourself into a Giga Chad or whatever you want. You can make your nose bigger, your eyes smaller. And, speaking of eyes smaller, let's make my nose huge with wider. You can do all sorts of things. But these days, I feel like this is really going to change the industry. I mean, we don't need special effects makeup artists anymore. Hey, maybe we still do, but hey, this is a cool new feature. I just discovered it, and I hope you have fun playing around with it. Let me know what you plan to do, or if you found this helpful. And if you did find this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, keep on movie making.